So the first one is about organizing your workspace. You can save a lot of time by using the proper workspace. In the top bar you can see that Premiere Pro has some default workspace. But I don't like these workspaces, so we can save our own workspace here. Let's delete some windows I don't need the source. So click on those three lines, and select Close Panel, close the audio clip, mixer metadata. Let's move to Project Panel here. Close the Media Browser, Libraries, Info. Move the Effects tab here. Then close the Markers, and History. Now it looks so clean and professional. Then if you need anything to open, go to the window. Let's open the Lumetri Color tab. And that's all. Now let's save our layout. Again open the window. Workspaces and select Save as New Workspace. Now type your workspace name, and click on OK. As you can see my workspace is showing in the top bar, but I don't need these other workspaces. So let's hide them in this bar. Click on this double arrow key. Select Edit Workspaces. And I want to add the things I need. Then drag the other workspaces to the overflow menu. And there we go, now it looks so clean and professional.